Yes, it can be the part of it, the front part of it.
The intro, I understand. I'm Shakay.
You're not Shakay. What is your name?
Ugly man, is it? Yeah.
Why your name Ugly Man?
Right. Nah, but no me name. I'm a celebrity, you know. They have to know me name.
Anyways, people.
Where are you, Christmas?
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Yes, it does.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I am Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Click the bell to be notified every time I make a video. So guys, as I said, alright, so guys, pretty much it is 8:09 p.m. and I haven't filmed a vlog for yesterday. So pretty much I'm supposed to be editing and uploading from about 3 o'clock today, but because I was sick, and I will actually explain that in the next vlog that's gonna come tomorrow, hopefully. So because I was kind of feeling ill, I didn't do any filming at all yesterday, and today I was kind of busy, so I did not get to film this video a little earlier. So I'm trying to film it now and upload it tonight before I go to bed. So hopefully I can get that done by about 9 o'clock. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Alright, so today, as you can see from the title or the thumbnail, is going to be the Christmas tag. Alright, so we have some Christmas tag questions here, and I was trying to find like 2021, but I'm only finding up to 2019. So I'm finding that 2019 one, but we're going to use that one and answer those questions. So I think it has about 30 odd questions. Yeah. All right, so the first question we got here: how do you celebrate Christmas? So Christmas Day, normally before COVID, we would actually first just go to church early, think about like 6 o'clock in the morning, go to church, and then after that we'll come have breakfast, then leave to go to our family place, and then have dinner, have dinner, and then just chill with the family and whatever. But since COVID, you know, that has to change a little. So what we did last year was to actually do church, then breakfast, then we stayed and we cooked, and then we ate, and then, you know, just had fun the day. How are you spending this year? So this year we basically want to do the same thing. So we're gonna go to church in the morning, come back, have a lovely breakfast, then we're gonna cook and, you know, have lunch, then dinner. So we normally cook the lunch while we're cooking the dinner. In between, I want to have like a movie, watch movies, you know, play Christmas songs, do like games and stuff like that. So that should be fun. It will be on the vlog, so if you would like to see it in more details, you can watch the vlog. All right, so the next question is, are you good at buying gifts for others? I'd say partially, because I don't like to buy a gift and people don't like it. I'm always anxious about that. If I'm going to buy you a gift and you're going to actually like it. Me, I would like anything that people give me, because I'm not giving up foot down. So, but I know not a lot of people think the way I do, so I will buy you a gift and you don't like it. So I'm always anxious, if you will. So I'm not sure if I am a good gift buyer. I'm really not sure, so not sure. All right, what's your most memorable Christmas memory? I'm not even sure. I think like when I was smaller, just like we have something in Jamaica called like grand market that we go to on Christmas Eve. I think when I was smaller it is much better than now. Now it's like pure party business, foolishness to me. It not nice anymore. So I think then grand market nights, I've always looked forward for that, but now it's not so much. I still want to go, but it's not so much. All right. The next one said, how did you spend Christmas last year? I already answered that. On Christmas Eve, what do you leave out for Santa? No, we in Jamaica don't really think about Santa business, so pretty much nothing. We don't live out up to Santa Claus. We don't believe in Santa Claus down here. Yeah. What is your favorite Christmas movie? Hands down, Home Alone. Hands down. What's your favorite Christmas song? Now this has changed, but well, kind of has changed, because I still love this song, but I think I've had like more that are it's not my favorite anymore. But I loved Oh Holy Night by Mariah Carey, but right now it's like one of the pentatonic songs. I think it would be either Where Are You Christmas or That's What Christmas Means to Me. One of those, I'm not sure. But pentatonic songs are like my all-time favorites right now. But I loved Oh Holy Nights by Mariah Carey. Alright, what do you eat on Christmas Day? Now this is very tricky, because you see like how Americans and other countries might celebrate Thanksgiving. Jamaica doesn't really celebrate Thanksgiving, so pretty much the big meal that you guys would probably have at Thanksgiving, that's what we have on Christmas Day. So normally Christmas Day is like where the big cooking come in, right? So on Christmas Day we normally eat like rice and peas or rice and gungo. We have probably like soup there. We have all type of different meat kind, chicken, goat, or whatever, depending on what is available or what you can afford. Sorrel is a must for every Jamaican when it comes on to Christmas. So sorrel is definitely there. So those are some of the things that we eat on Christmas Day. What do you have? Any Christmas Eve tradition? Oh, do I have any Christmas Eve traditions? As I said, we normally go out for grand markets, and pretty much grand markets is like just a night of persons who sell things. They would normally come out and line out on the road. I think it would be something like what you guys have as Black Friday sales, but yeah, so it's pretty much just a lot of stores opening up past midnight and just people just going out to buy stuff or to go party. There's normally just things lined up on the road, like literally when you're walking you have to like push through a like thick crowd. So yeah. The next question, do you wear Christmas jumpers? If so, show us a picture. I've never actually owned a Christmas jumper. I've had Christmas pajamas that I wore in my intro last year, but it's blue for some reason. I don't know how that Christmas color. It's blue, but I have never owned one of those jumpers, and I said in like my Christmas bucket list that I actually wanted to buy one this year, but it did not work out because I didn't like the ones they had. So yeah. All right, in your culture, what date do you receive gifts? Christmas Day or like Christmas Eve, thereabouts. Yeah, pretty much. Show us your Christmas decorations. I would, but they're not yet up, so you guys will have to stay tuned to the vlogs to actually see when they do go up. So yeah. Do you like eggnog? Actually I do. I love eggnog. Have you ever visited the North Pole? No. What was your favorite gift you've received on Christmas? I'm not thinking of any right now, but the only thing that's popping up in my head is this puppy right beside me. But it's not necessarily a gift, because can you gift yourself? I was actually walking on one grand market night, and I really don't know how this happened, because it's when you're at grand market there's hardly any light. They're like minimal lights, so the rows are normally very dark. And I was passing this lady that was on the floor with her tarpaulin with her stuff on it, and we were walking by, and this puppy caught my eye, and I literally stopped and like, Mom, wait, and I bought this puppy. So it's the only thing I can actually remember right now, but I have received some pretty gifts over the years. I just don't remember what they are, because I'm not remembering like what gift I got at Christmas. I might remember that I got gifts and that they're my favorite, but not if I got them at Christmas, if you get what I mean. But I remember getting this puppy at Grand Market night. So yeah, that's why I remember him as a Christmas gift from myself. Have you ever gone Christmas caroling? Yes, I have, and we're going again this year, and I'm super excited for that. I love Christmas carols, so it's always one of my favorite things to do. Have you ever built a gingerbread house? No, I haven't. And I said in my vlog, in my Christmas bucket list, that I actually want to do this year, but I don't know how it's gonna work. I'm still gonna search for a recipe for when I'm baking, because I should be baking not in this Monday but the other Monday, somewhere there about, somewhere in that week. So yeah, but I have never built one. Try and name, oh, I cannot. You have Dasher and Rudolph and Prancer. I can't name them all, so I'm not even gonna try. Finish this elf quote. The best way to spread Christmas cheer is to show love and something. I'm very terrible. But remember, I know what it is, but it's like I'm not remembering what the elf said. The best way to spread Christmas cheer is showing love or spreading it everywhere. I don't know. Worst present you've ever received? I'm not really gonna remember that one either. I'm not remembering that. I don't remember that. If it's the worst present, I'm not gonna remember it. So yeah. What is your all-time favorite Christmas food? Ham. I don't know why I love ham, so ham. Make a noise to show how excited you are about Christmas. Woo! Yeah. That is, yeah. Is your Christmas tree real or fake? It's actually fake. Yeah, my Christmas tree is fake. So we bought one last year. We'll be using it again this year, so it's fake. Have you ever built a snowman? No, we don't live where snow is, and I've never been anywhere with snow, so no, I've never built a snowman. I'd like to one day, so hopefully one day. Who cooks the Christmas meals? So normally my parents, along with like aunts and uncles and such like that, depending on where we go. But last year it was me, my sister, my mom, and my dad, since we're all here together. And it will be the same thing this year, since we'll all be here together. So yes, what gifts do you want for Christmas this year? I don't really know if I want any gift per se like that. I do want my Christmas to be fun and just to have genuine fun. I also, this thing scratches, man. For me to buy for myself, it would be to buy makeup. So I need to get like a foundation for myself. I don't have the right foundation that covers, so I need to get that. So that alone I can think of at the moment. Do you prefer giving or receiving gifts on Christmas? I'd say both. I don't know why. I like to give gifts, but you know, you're human. I like to also receive gifts, so I'd say both. What is your favorite thing about Christmas? I like the lights and the songs, so I think those things are my favorite things about Christmas. Songs and the lights. It just gives it a different feeling, a different vibe. I don't know. What makes Christmas special for you? Lights, Christmas, songs, I don't know. It's just a different vibe, as I said. I really don't know how to explain it. It's just the way it is. What would be your dream place to spend Christmas be? I don't know. I've never dreamt about anywhere else except for Jamaica, because I've never really experienced it anywhere else, and like my family's here, so it's like I'm used to spending Christmas with family. So I don't know. I think it would be cool to spend it like somewhere with snow. I'd like to experience that, so I guess that would be my dream place. I don't know, never really thought about it like that. Who are you spending Christmas with this year? As I said, my mom, my dad, my sister. Not sure if there will be anybody else, but like if there's anybody else, then they too. But I'm sure it would be spent probably at home. Yeah, probably spent at home. Are you a last minute shopper or organized shopper? I don't know. Sometimes I guess probably because we don't necessarily live at a place that I could actually go out and get things that I want that accessibly. So I have to drive far for it, and we don't go there often. We normally like set a time that's closest to the Christmas time to go. So it would seem as if I buy in a rush, but I prefer to have things organized because I want it to be wrapped. I want it to be under the tree for a while, just to make it pretty, you know. So yeah, but yeah, that's that. All right, so next, the last one is, what's your one Christmas wish? And I say my one Christmas wish is just to have fun and have a peaceful Christmas, loving Christmas, just one that will not give me anxiety and depression. So that is my one Christmas wish. So yes guys, that is gonna be the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. Go ahead and like this video, share this video, comment something down below. Today's emojis are, go ahead and comment in the comments down below what you guys think the emojis are. I'm not sure if there's any shout out for today, but if there is, I will give them tomorrow in tomorrow's vlog. I'll try and give them, like both of them, in tomorrow's vlog. Alright guys, so thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.